2025 is the year to start your YouTube journey. Stop scrolling. This is your sign. AI tools and innovative resources have revolutionized content creation, making it easier and more accessible than ever before. Short-form videos are dominating the scene, giving you the power to go viral with nothing more than your smartphone. Audiences are craving authentic, niche-focused creators who bring fresh perspectives and relatable content. Best of all, the chance to turn your passion into a real, sustainable income has never been more within reach. This is your moment to shine. Only within 1 year, these creators skyrocketed their channels, building thriving communities with thousands of loyal followers. YouTube once felt like an exclusive club reserved for experts, difficult to break into, nearly impossible to master. But times have changed. With today's advanced tools, viral video formats, and limitless opportunities, the playing field has leveled, and you're no longer stuck on the sidelines. I'm here to give you the ultimate guide, the holy grail of YouTube success. From proven strategies to game-changing tips and the right mindset, this is everything you need to go from zero to hero on the platform. But let's be clear, this isn't some overnight hustle. Building a successful channel is a long-term journey for creators who are bold, determined, and ready to take charge. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start creating, this is your ultimate shortcut to YouTube success. Hop on the train and let's go. Before you hit record or start dreaming about going viral, let's tackle the big question: why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Your why is your driving force. It's what keeps you motivated on tough days and guides your content towards success. Then ask yourself, who is this channel for? Understanding your audience is the cornerstone of success. What's their age? What are their hobbies? What would they be searching for on YouTube? If you don't know who you're speaking to, your videos will struggle to connect. Defining your purpose and your audience is the foundation of everything you create. Without it, your channel has no direction. So take the time to figure it out now, and your future self will thank you. Next, let's talk commitment. Is this channel a fun hobby, or are you treating it like a business? This decision shapes how much effort, time, and strategy you'll put into your content. If it's a hobby, your goal might be to have fun, express your creativity, and connect with others who share your passion. The vibe? Relaxed, no pressure, just enjoying the process. But hobbies are easy to drop when life gets busy or motivation fades. Without consistency, growth becomes a challenge, and your channel may stay on the back burner. On the flip side, if your channel is your main focus, you're stepping into a whole new league. Treat it like starting a business. This means setting clear goals. How often will you upload? Weekly? Bi-weekly? When do you want to hit milestones, like your first 1,000 subscribers? What resources and time are you willing to invest to make it successful? The level of effort you put in will directly reflect the results you achieve. Whether you're creating for fun or going all in for growth, the key is to stay committed and align your actions with your goals. Remember, success doesn't happen by accident. It's built with intention, one video at a time. Say you're all in on this YouTube journey, ready to make it big. The next critical step? R&D, research and development. Your niche isn't just a topic. It's your channel's identity, your brand, and what makes you stand out in a sea of creators. Here's how to find the perfect niche. Brainstorm with tools like Google Trends or YouTube Autocomplete to discover what's trending and what people are searching for. Study your competition, what are they doing well, and more importantly, where can you do it differently or better? The goal is to land on a niche that's the sweet spot between your passion and audience demand. Example, you love fitness and have experience in yoga. Instead of just starting a generic fitness channel, consider focusing on yoga for busy professionals or yoga for beginners. These are specific niches that appeal to a targeted audience, and they align with your expertise and enthusiasm. Remember, your niche is your brand. Choose wisely, and it'll not only define your channel but also set you up for sustainable growth. All right, it's go time. Let's get your YouTube channel up and running like a pro. Think of this step as setting up your storefront. Your channel is the first thing viewers see, so make it inviting and professional. Start with a Google account and create your channel. Now let's make it stand out. Profile picture. Use a clear professional image that represents you or your brand. Banner. Design something eye-catching that visually communicates your niche. This is your chance to make a statement. Channel description. In 1 or 2 sentences, tell viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Keep it concise but compelling. Advanced settings. Before launching your channel, setting up some advanced settings is essential to building a solid foundation. These settings not only help your content reach the right audience and maximize your views, but also prepare your channel for monetization opportunities down the line. This setup might seem like a lot, but getting it right from the start will save you headaches down the road. With a polished profile, strategic settings, and an inviting storefront, you're setting the stage for YouTube success. And don't worry, I've got you covered with a whole video that dives deep into the step-by-step process of setting up your YouTube channel. Once you're done here, you can jump over to that video to get all the details you need to set up your channel like a pro. Get ready to put all your research and preparation into action. Step into the real world and bring your ideas to life by creating your videos. Whether you're starting from scratch or leveling up, following these 3 stages will set you on the path to success. Focus on the basics. Use whatever tools you have, your smartphone, free editing software, or simple props. This stage is all about building authenticity and experimenting with relatable content. Start by creating your first 3 videos to get a feel for the process. Ask yourself, is this niche and format a good fit for you? This is your time to test the waters without pressure. As you grow more confident, it's time to refine your craft. Invest in better tools, learn storytelling techniques, and improve your video quality. Work on your next 7 videos with a focus on leveling up your skills, better editing, stronger pacing, and more engaging narratives. This is where you shift gears from creating to mastering. Analyze your performance and use that data to refine your strategy. Clicks. Improve your thumbnails, titles, and video concepts to grab attention. Watch time. Tailor your content to keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Overall satisfaction. Drive more likes, shares, and subscribers by consistently delivering value to your viewers. Pro tip: the sooner you embrace the mindset of constant learning and experimentation, the faster you'll grow. Every video is a step toward mastery, so don't be afraid to try new things, fail, and learn along the way. Great content without a proper PR is like shouting into an empty room. A total waste. So many creators pour their heart and soul into amazing videos, only to be met with 0 views and no subscribers. To avoid that pitfall and ensure your hard work gets the attention it deserves, you need a solid promotion plan. Share them everywhere to reach broader audiences. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Leverage YouTube Shorts to reach a wider audience fast. Optimize SEO. Use keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher in search results. Use vidIQ. Collaborations are also gold. Team up with other creators in your niche. And don't forget to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and make them feel part of your journey. That's how you turn viewers into loyal subscribers. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is like stepping into the future of content creation, where everything is evolving at lightning speed and the opportunities are endless. To grow, thrive, and turn your passion into profit, you can't just wing it. The plan I've shared with you isn't just a guide. It's your ultimate blueprint for staying ahead of the curve and dominating the platform with confidence and strategy. Now's the time to take charge and make your mark. Let's recap 6 steps to creating a successful YouTube channel. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of the game. You've got the strategies, the roadmap, and the mindset to start something amazing. Remember, every successful YouTuber began right where you are now, dreaming big and taking that first step. You've got what it takes to create content that inspires, entertains, or even changes lives. So don't wait. Start your channel today and let the world see what you have to offer. If this video fired you up, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to grow your channel. Drop a comment below about your channel ideas. I'd love to hear about your vision. Let's make it happen together.